Merry Christmas. It is day 12 of our 12 Days of Christmas recipes. So I am so glad that you have joined me throughout this whole series, and it's been so much fun. But today we have a very special recipe because we all know we've got those relatives coming to town, and you know what that means. So we have a special ornament here, and we've made the drinks in the ornament, the plastic ornament, pour it into the glass so you can just hand it to your guests as they come in, and they'll be able to enjoy a nice margarita while they enjoy the relatives too. Merry Christmas from all of us at Ignite. So first we're going to add in to our measuring cup here about 1.5 cups of your favorite tequila. And then we have combined some cherry juice, some cranberry juice, and orange juice. And we're going to give that a little bit of a stir. And here comes my favorite part. So we're going to put a little bit of sprig of rosemary into your glass. We'll do 2 here. This recipe makes 2. And the cool part, plastic ornaments. This is the thing, people, let me tell you. So we have our little funnel. I'm going to set it in here so I don't spill. And you just pour this through your funnel into your ornament. Okay, into the next. This is a cool way to serve your cocktail when the relatives arrive. So if you would like, you can put the little cap that comes with them back on there, just to it touches it off. I'll leave that one off. And then I have made some sugar-coated cranberries here. And so you've got your little sprig of rosemary in your glass. You've got your ornament, and then we're just going to add a few of these little cranberries in there just to make it beautiful. All right, so let's see here. We have, with the magic of television, voila, we have made our margaritas, and all you have to do is take the top off and pour your drink into your margarita glass. Add a little bit of ice from our 10 Strawberry Street ice bucket here. Peace out 2020, welcome 2021. Cheers and Merry Christmas from everybody here at Ignite.